Welcome back. Actually, it's flat across all markets at this point in time. So that gives us a little bit of time to worry about whether the initial negative impact of demonetization on the microfinance institutions has now recovered at all. Sudha Suresh, CFO for Ujjivan Financial Services, joins us yet again. We spoke in detail with her last week. Sudha, good morning. At that time, you had told us that you're worried that the Reserve Bank's kind of SOP, that you don't have to classify loans as NPAs even if they don't come back for 2 months, is getting negatively interpreted. As also you're worried about collections. How are collections going at this point in time? What percentage?
Good morning, Lata. And the situation is much better now compared to the discussion that we had last week. The scenario is that the customers, in terms of their access to the new currency, have been able to have a better position, and thereby we have in fact posted a robust collection of 91% in November, and we have also been able to disburse almost 553 crores during the month of November, which has been able to provide critical support to our customers because of this continued loan disbursements. Having said that, we would also like to state that the microfinance institutions network has been proactively moving across governments with the Ministers of Finance, with the Chief Ministers, PMO, Ministry of Finance, as well as the RBI, in order to see that we are not getting any kind of negative impact on account of the circular and the media which went beyond that.
So, Ms. Suresh, what kind of loan growth are you looking at, say, over the next 1 to 2 months?
So we would like to say that we would like to be cautious in terms of watching the position as it happens in December. As much as the positions in terms of repayments and collections are far better and things are more eased out now, in terms of new loan growth and new disbursements, we would like to see whether we can take on the same trajectory. We are fairly confident that December will be a better month, but it remains to be seen in terms of what would be the actual growth like.
Okay, so Suresh, good morning. You're pretty sanguine that this impact would last at best a quarter, and after that things would be normal?
Fairly confident of this.
Okay. Great.
Collections rate now, ma'am, are you above the 90% mark?
Yes, we are 91% and above, and we are looking at much more improvements in the forthcoming weeks. So we are fairly confident that things will be far better even by the end of this month.
Okay. So just that number, collections were how much in the November 10th week and how much in the latest week?
Yeah, so in fact overall November collections have been almost, as we said, the rate has been about 91%. Okay. We've almost collected more than the 550 mark.
So are you disbursing loans now to existing customers only, or have you started disbursing to new customers as well?
Yeah, so we have continued to disburse to our existing customers right now, and we're taking a fresh look at the new customers.
Fair enough. Sudha Suresh, pleasure speaking with you. Thank you very much, and I'm sure investors will feel a little secure after listening to the confidence in Sudha Suresh's tone. We take a break and then we look at the other sector that is usually mentioned in the course of demonetization, real estate sector.